In the old land of Egba, before Abeokuta rose from the rocks, a shadow walked the earth in royal boots from Oyo. They came with tax and torment, with whips for those whose baskets were not full enough. The drums of Oyo silenced the songs of Egba, and the land grew weary of tribute and tears. But from the dust of suffering, a whisper began to rise, a name that trembled through the wind, Lisabi. If stories of strength move your spirit, pause a moment. Like, subscribe, and share this tale so the courage of our ancestors may never fade. From Itoku village came Lisabi, a farmer with hands roughened by soil and destiny. He spoke little, yet his silence carried thunder. He saw his people bend and vowed in his heart, the day will come when Egba shall bow no more. The gods had found their vessel, and justice found its breath. When the moon rose high and the forest hushed, Lisabi gathered the brave beneath the ancient trees. They knelt on sacred soil, swearing by Ogun, by earth, by blood, that freedom was worth the price of death. From that night, Egba slept no more in fear. The forest kept their secret, but the earth remembered their vow. Then came the dawn, fierce and red. The Oyo lords woke to a storm of their own making. Spears sang, drums roared, and Lisabi led his people like a river bustling its bound. The battle was not for power, but for breath, for the right to live as men, not slaves. And in the cry of war, freedom was born. When the dust settled, the chains were gone. Egba stood free, proud, unbroken. Lisabi did not build a throne, he built a memory. He asked for no crown, only peace for his people. And from that peace, the dawn of Abeokuta began to glow. Time has walked fast since Lisabi's breath faded, yet his spirit roams the winds of Egbaland. His name dances in songs, in schools, in streets, and in the yearly festival that bears his flame. For legends never die, they only change their drums. Lisabi's story is not just history, it is the mirror of her courage, the rhythm of her pride, the echo of every man and woman who dares to stand when others bow. Let this courage light your spirit. Like, share, and subscribe so that the world may remember we were never slaves, only silent kings waiting to rise.